Hey, it's the Beard here, back again with the General Tech series. The series where I cover everyday tech stuff. In this episode, we check out this Xbox One S that I bought in a Joblot of faulty consoles. Enjoy. So I don't know what exactly is wrong with this one. As I said, I bought it in a Joblot of faulty consoles. I think there was 3 or 4 consoles in there, off eBay. And we're going to check it out together. We'll plug it in, see what's going on with it, and then we'll try to fix it. So after plugging it in, connecting power, connecting the HDMI, the device turns on, but we get no picture. On initial inspection, the HDMI ports looked fine, and I checked all the pins that are attached to the pads on the board. They were all fine. So the initial thing was, okay, cool, let's change the retimer. That's a common problem on these devices as well, so we went with that first. Sadly, after changing the retimer, it didn't fix the problem. So this is where we went for the port swap as well. Perhaps there was something internally that was damaged.
trying